If you're curious whether your Samsung Galaxy A26 does have an SD card option or not, it's quite easy to understand. So let's grab our Samsung Galaxy A26, let's flip it over, and let's locate our SIM tray. There it is, that's what we need. Now let's grab our SIM ejecting tool, or basically any object with it thin enough to get into this hole. It may be a needle, it may be a straightened paper clip, anything. So now let's insert it, and let's take out our SIM tray. So what do we see here? We see a place for SD card, so the answer is going to be positive. Grab your SD card. Let's find the correct way of placing it here. Great, like this, it should sit tightly and snugly. The contacts most likely should be facing upwards. Now let's grab our phone and let's try putting it back in. Now let's put our loaded SIM tray back. Gently push it, and basically that should be it. Alright. As you see, SD card inserted. It understood that it has SD card. Now we can press open and see all of the insides right here. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.